shut up. You shut up right now.
Oh, hey, Hetty. You yelling at the washing machine? That's cool.
This vile contraption will not let me nap. How is this progress? In my day, the washer never made a peep. In fact, I'm not sure I ever heard Helen say anything at all.
Ah!
Oh, thank God. Oh, Jay, I know you can't hear me, but thank you very much indeed. No, Jay, no! Come back and push the button.
You know, there is an upside to a broken washing machine.
What could possibly be good about this deafening monstrosity?
Sit on it.
Sit on it?
Yes.
Why would I ever do something like that?
Just trust me.
Fine, I will indulge you, if for no other reason than to end this conversation. Oh, my.
I'll leave you two alone.
Come on, Eddie. You can do this. Clean thoughts. Clean thoughts. Clean, clean, clean laundry, washing machine, damn it.